Hi, I'm Emily LaFave.
And I'm David Vitanza.
And we're Forager's customer success team. And we're at the Forager office once again to sample some of our suppliers' products. And today we're sampling
Kane's Kitchen Salsa.
So we have 3 flavors to try today. We have grilled pineapple, black bean and corn, and then the medium spice level of the traditional salsa.
All right.
So this salsa is small batch produced. It's also preservative free and there's no added sugar. And I heard from David that Trafford actually hand grills all the pineapple himself for the pineapple salsa.
It does indeed. Yeah, I was pretty impressed with that. It's a one-man show, so I believe his kids and his wife help him out a lot.
With the creative process and with the taste testing, of course. Let's try these.
Let's do it.
I am hungry.
I am really hungry too. I'm trying the pineapple salsa here.
Corn and black bean here.
Yeah, it's very fresh tasting. You wouldn't know that this was jarred salsa.
No, it's very juicy. It's this one in particular, I don't know about yours, but it's like really hearty. So this is a great snack. I feel like sometimes with salsa, I just feel like chips and salsa, I'm just like consuming empty calories and the hunger never really goes away.
Understood.
This, I could eat half the amount and be satisfied. What a great time of year to be sampling salsa, because I feel like this is a essential backyard barbecue snack table element.
Very true.
Salsa and chips.
Yeah, and it's nice. It would be nice to have the 3 different little varieties there if you're having people over for a gathering.
A little something for everyone.
Yeah, I really like the black bean one, how it has more substance to it than normal salsa that you...
Me too. Okay, I'm trying the medium. I personally like a little spice with my salsa. You get the spice right away. For me, this is the perfect amount. I actually would like to try the hot sometime because I like really spicy, but I feel like this is a good middle ground for people who can't do a ton of spice but do prefer a little extra kick with their salsa.
Yeah, I like it when it just leaves a little tingly on your tongue, which that does perfectly.
I haven't tried this one yet.
Oh, it's really good. You can tell the love and the time that goes into cutting and grilling all those pineapples by hand. I believe he also makes an apple salsa, which with Granny Smith apples, which I would love to also try sometime.
So this, we're eating these on chips, very snack style. This I could totally see as like a condiment with a nice weeknight dinner. Like some grilled chicken and rice, or you know, like a vegetable curry or something like that. This pineapple would really kick it up a notch.
Yeah, I have a little secret here. I've actually had this one before, and I have it at home right now, and I've made a little like black bean burrito using this salsa.
Yes, exactly.
Really
so I always like to point this out when we're talking about small batch and local companies. One of the huge benefits of buying these types of products is you know exactly what you're getting from the ingredients list. So all of these ingredients are very clean. I know what every single one of them are, and they're all like fresh veggies and fresh all natural flavoring components like herbs and spices. There's no preservatives in here, nothing I've never heard of before.
I really like his labels here. It's very clean and very bright and colorful. I feel like if you had these all lined up on an end cap, it would look really good. It would really stand out to someone shopping in the store too.
Yeah, like when you first walk into the store for a holiday like Cinco de Mayo, for example, all the different colors of salsas lined up with some chips to accompany it, maybe some hot sauce in there too, would be a really nice display. Thank you, Kane's Kitchen from Swansea, Massachusetts.
And these are all available on Forager now.
Cheers!
Cheers!